What's up, guys? Robbie Crypto here, back at you again. Sorry I took that little break, but Bitcoin has not really been doing anything too explosive lately. We just been trading between that like $9,900, $10,000 area back into that $9,000 region. We haven't really revisited that $8,000 level yet, and yeah, so I think there's gonna be some stuff happening pretty soon, and I would really like to talk to you guys about that. If that sounds interesting, then please stay tuned. So let's get right into it. So here we're on the daily chart for Bitcoin, and I just want to let me just draw a couple things in this chart so we can get this ball rolling here. So I'm going to drop some Fibonacci levels. Basically, these are just levels that show support and resistance. Here, let me get it. So you're going to just do it from the top right here to the bottom right here of the recent low. Let's make it a little bit better. There we go. And let's zoom in a little bit. So we can see that Bitcoin has been holding above this key level right here. As we can see, there's been consolidation right here, and right here it did this hold previously. So we do have a newfound support, and that's at almost exactly that $9,000 area. So this is really cool because we have that psychological support, and now we have that newfound technical support that's going to be able to hold us above that $9,000 area, which makes me in the short term here and long term here feel more safe putting in a position, because I know I do have that $9,000 area as support, which is only a 2% decrease from here. So I know that my max loss is probably going to be 2%, as I'm not a financial advisor, but we do have some pretty good support here, so that's always good to see. So basically, going on from that, there's a couple patterns here that I can see Bitcoin making, and I really want to point these out here. So this would be an ascending triangle here. This is one pattern that I've been seeing, and it's not a perfect one. You know what I'm saying? It's not perfect. It's not all clean cut and dry, but you can see it. This is an outlier to me. This is a fake out to me. The top was right here, but here's a top, 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 and basically, ascending triangle is a flat line of resistance with an inclining support is what we're seeing here. And then if we zoom out here, let me zoom out so you can better see this volume. Okay, so here's the volume at the bottom of the chart right here, and we can see that that volume has been declining steadily and rapidly at the same time here. Okay, it's getting really rapid here towards the end, and we can see that volume is falling off, and when volume falls off, big moves happen. Like right here, volume fell off, and we can see that we had that big sell-off, which brought us all the way down to 3,800. Okay, but this happens in both ways, so it can be up, it can be down, but it's just letting us know that we're not going to be seeing this sideways consolidation for much longer here, because we've been sideways now for a couple months. And quite honestly, it has been boring me. I have been playing options and playing stocks just because I've been getting more action in it. But yeah, when we look here, we can see that we are finding that support about the $9,000 area. We are seeing this ascending triangle possibly playing out. And then if we look at the technicals here, I got a couple technicals here, especially the RSI. I saw that this RSI level was actually making this falling wedge pattern, and we actually just broke out of it just recently, past couple of days, and we found support on top of it. Again, these patterns would just go in conjunction with volume, and as we've seen no volume yet, then this really doesn't mean much, but it could be an indicator that volume could be coming in the near future here. And also, if I wanted to zoom in a little bit here, just want to point something out. As we can see this green cloud here. I know this concept's a little hard for some people to grasp, so I'm just gonna make it easy for you guys. This green cloud is support, and we can see that we're actually holding on top of it right here. So as long as we stay above this green cloud and we stay inside this this pattern with higher lows, and as long as the $9,000 level right here at this Fibonacci level is not broken, I'm pretty bullish here. You know what I'm saying? Right here is a spot that I would really like to accumulate more coin. This is a really good spot here. We got that $9,000 support, and I haven't really seen a pretty good opportunity like this to accumulate coin in a while now. And yeah, so basically, accumulate coin right here. Not a financial advisor, but it is looking pretty ripe. We are going to see a breakout here, and I want to let you guys know where that breakout is going to be. All right, let me show you. So the way you get the breakout, this sunny triangle, is you're just going to get the opening right here. Just going to draw a straight line. Pretty simple. You're going to put it towards wherever you're going to break out, but the thing is that the sunny triangle is a flat line resistance, right? So it doesn't matter where you break out. It doesn't matter if you break out over here in a week or in a couple weeks. It doesn't matter if you break out. If you broke out over here, it's the same target. So we're just going to put that bad boy, like if we broke out right here, I'm going to get a target of 11,600. So we're going to get the target of 11,600, right? What does that mean? Well, if we get a target of 11,600, we can see that we're going to be breaking out of this high. We're going to break this high, and then we're going to break this high, and we're going to start getting into this area here, right? And the problem in the not in the future, but in the past, has been this $10,200 area. Let me show you. Where's it at? It's going to be right here. So this 10.2 area has shown us resistance right here in this area, and in this area in the past breakup. So this technical target would mean that we are going to be breaking all those psychological barriers that aren't technical, which means that it can push us further up, and then 10.2 can be that 10.2 could be more of that support instead of that resistance going forward. And I mean, to be completely honest, guys, if we do break that 10.2 psychological level with all this buildup that we've been having for about a year now, it's gonna take us higher than the previous highs of that $13,000 area, and we are gonna be seeing higher highs here. So I just really wanted to point that out, guys, that if we do end up breaking out here, it is gonna be more significant than the breakouts that we have seen in the past. Again, this is just my my opinion here, but I am pretty sure that this next breakout, if it does break out above this 10.2 area with volume, it's going to be pretty massive. But on another note, are you guys owning one Bitcoin? Do you guys own at least one Bitcoin? I own at least one Bitcoin. And I hope a lot of you guys are owning at least one Bitcoin or trying to strive to it, because only 800,000 people, right, are owning a whole coin. 800,000 people. You got to keep in mind there's only 21 million coins here. And 800,000 out of 21 million, I mean, when you break down the math here, that's only 3%, almost 4%. So if you're owning one coin or more than one coin, I give my hand to you, because you are part of the 4%, and that's really going to show later in the future, because you are going to be part of the 4% of the wealthy Bitcoin adopters. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, I know this video was a little bit shorter, then please let me know in the comments. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time.